So another video on my channel. First one doing one of these. This is a Coca-Cola Labubu opening. I'm gonna check it out, see what it's like. First time seeing one, so here we go. So I got this one in Montreal. This is the Coca-Cola one. Can't wait to take a quick little look at it. Just a short little, maybe 2-minute video. So here we go. The little bag inside the box. Open up the box. This is what you get inside. You get this Coca-Cola little wrap on it. So that's Pop Mart, the monsters. So adorable. Look at this. Such a nice little bag, actually. The Coca-Cola pattern on it is so cool. It makes me thirsty for a Coke. The marketing on this is so good. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So this is the Coca-Cola Labubu. So cute. Look at the little Coke can. Look at that adorable face. There's a nice little keychain on it. Really nice like fur that's so soft. The vinyl is so nice. The little stamp on his foot. It's the cutest thing I've seen in a while. Look at how beautiful that is. So there it is. Just enjoy that little face. Can't say much more, but it's super cute. So thanks for watching this quick little 1-minute unboxing.